Good morning, students. In our this class, we are going to discuss about the electrophilic substitution reactions of the haloarenes. Just try to understand what is the concept in this. This is the structure of aryl halide. In this aryl halide, halogen is attached there, and this halogen having the lone pair of electrons there, and it is attached with this carbon which is sp2 hybridized because the double bond is present in this. Now what happens when the lone pair of electron transfers from this atom to this carbon atom? This single bond converted into the double bond. Due to this, now the valency of carbon get disturbed. To balance this factor, the double bond electron from this atom transferred to the nearest another carbon atom in the form of the negative charge. So negative charge comes there. Now this process will circulate generally in this particular ring. This atom is donating the lone pair of electron, so positive charge is present there on that particular atom, and here the on this atom negative charge is coming. So negative charge is there. Now this kind of circulation of electron pair given by the halogen atom in this particular ring completes in the step by step process. So due to this reason, the negative charge is coming on the different carbon atoms present in the ring. On which carbon atoms the negative charge is coming? This carbon atom where the halogen is attached, and the carbon atom which is nearest to its position is known as ortho position. So negative charge is present there on that particular ortho position. This is the ortho position, and this position is the para position. So para position, this position is ortho position. So what we are getting in this, negative charge is present, negative charge is present in ortho, meta and para positions. Ortho and para positions in these structures. Now if the electrophile comes to attack these kind of alkyl halides, the electrophile easily attacks on the ortho and para positions of these atoms, because negative charge density, electron density or negative charge is present on these positions. Negative charge is present on these positions. So these kind of aryl halides gives the electrophilic substitution reactions. In these electrophilic substitution reactions, the coming electrophile will attach to their ortho and the para positions. Now we have different examples related to these reactions. So we will discuss some examples related to this concept in that particular class. So first of all we have halogenation. In this halogenation process, what happens if we have this chlorobenzene there, and in this chlorobenzene we are reacting this with the Cl2. Now this reaction happens in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride AlCl3. So due to this, the product which we are getting is in the form of addition of the chlorine atoms on the ortho and para positions of the chlorobenzene. 1 for dichlorobenzene, 1 for dichlorobenzene, that is 1,2-dichlorobenzene is present in these molecules. The major product is the para product. This is the major product and this is the minor product in that particular reaction. So that is the halogenation of the chlorobenzene molecules which we are getting in that particular reaction. Now another reaction we have, that is nitration. What happens in this nitration reaction? In this nitration reaction, we are getting that this is the chlorobenzene molecule, and on this chlorobenzene molecule, when reaction happens in the presence of nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture is the mixture of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. When reaction happens in the presence of these acids, the addition of the NO2 group takes place on the ortho position and also on the para position of that given particular molecule. We get the product 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene, that is 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene, and in the another case, that is 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene, 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene, 4-nitrobenzene we are getting in this product. So the major product is the para product. This is the major product we are getting in these type of reactions. Another reactions are also in this. Another reaction, sulfonation. Another reaction, we have the sulfonation reaction. Just see another sulfonation. What happens in this sulfonation reaction? Sulfonation reaction. In sulfonation reaction, when the chlorobenzene, this chlorobenzene, and when it reacts in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, the addition of the sulfonic group takes place on the ortho and the para positions of these chlorobenzene rings. SO3H. Another condition which we have Cl and SO3H. So two conditions we are getting here: 1-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid and 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. 1-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, and that is another case we have 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid we are getting here in this condition. Another reaction we have in this, that is Friedel-Crafts reaction. So what happens in this Friedel-Crafts reaction? Just see. Friedel-Crafts reaction. In this Friedel-Crafts reaction, this aryl halide, when reacts with the another alkyl halide in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride, so we get this ClCH3 plus another addition of CH3 group on the para position. So in Friedel-Crafts reaction, addition of the alkyl group takes place. That is, para product is the major product and auto product is the minor product. What happens in Friedel-Crafts reaction? Addition of alkyl group on ring. Addition of alkyl group on benzene ring. Okay, we will continue with another reactions in our another video. Thank you.